right after New Year's. You dumb fucking bitch! I'm gonna
Okay, if that wasn't the one, this has to be the one. Okay, we are going to make ourselves up, doing Maddie makeup in honor of the last episode and this sound. So yay! As much as I can see, Maddie has like a green situation going here. We are gonna make the green situation happen. Please do show up on my eye. Thank you. Okay, we are going somewhere. Maybe not the Euphoria set, but somewhere for sure. Try to make it happen with eyeshadow and it's kind of going okay. The irony of me doing a Maddie look and sound with Cassie nails. Oh my god. Almost burped myself into the afterlife. If I'm gonna judge my makeup look in this phase, it's like judging a person's look by their teenage years, you know. We all go through it as teenagers, and my makeup look is going through it right now. Ooh. Also, I feel like we all collectively decided that thin eyebrows are in again. Please, let's make that decision before I pluck them, you know. What have I done? It's getting worse. Okay, let's leave it alone. I can't find my eyelash glue, so I'm gonna use this liner and lash glue from Charmed and Armed. Let's try to put her on. Okay, Charmed and Armed. I'm gonna kiss my hand. If this wasn't the most forever alone moment of my life, why is my part always parting really wrong, you know? First world problems, honestly. I think that's flat enough. That's what God said when he was creating me. I need some kind of filter, you know? I really want to use the light makeup one. Now we're gonna just grab where we stopped. We're gonna grab it. 3, 2, 1.